Okay, students, as you know, we are done with our reading. Okay, and now it's our quiz time. है ना? And the topic, today our topic is Abdul Star Idi. Okay. As the name of topic is Abdul Star Idi, so I will ask first question about Abdul Star Idi. That who was he? Okay, who will tell me that who was Abdul Star Idi? Yes, Abubakar, you tell me.
Abdul Star Idi was a great philanthropist of Pakistan.
Oh, absolutely right. Clap for him. Well done. Sit down, beta. And the next question is, who will tell me what is meant by philanthropist? What is meant by philanthropist? Yes, Zama, you tell me.
A philanthropist is a person who gave a lot of their time and money to others.
To help other. A person who gives a lot of his time and money to help other is a philanthropist. Bill, absolutely right. Clap for him. Good. Well done. Sit down. Okay. Who will tell me the spellings of philanthropist? Spellings. Okay. Ahmad Bilal.
Philanthropist.
Is he right?
Yes.
Clap for him. Okay. I am going to ask more questions about Idi Sahab. And who will tell me that when Abdul Star Idi was born? Okay. Abdullah Jan.
Abdul Star Idi was born in 1928.
Is he right?
Yes.
Clap for him. Well done. Sit down. And next question is, when did he move to Karachi? As we have read in the chapter that Abdul Star Idi moved to Karachi. When did he move to Karachi? Karar.
Abdul Sattar Idi moved to Karachi after his mother's death.
After his mother's death. And what was his age at that time? Yes.
Abdul Star Idi age is 11.
You don't need to say his name again and again. You can use a pronoun instead. Noun. He
age is 11 years old.
He was 11 years old. No, he was not 11 years old. What was his age when he left for Karachi? When his mother died, what was his age at that time? Yes, Hassan.
He was age 19 years old.
He was age?
He age was
No. Who will repeat this sentence for me? Yes, Umar.
His age was 19 years old at that time.
At that time, yeah, he was 19 years old when he left for Karachi, when his mother died, and he decided to go Karachi. Okay. Dear students, can you tell me what did his mother teach him? That how should he live his life, or what should he do? Who will give me the answer? Better sit down, three of you. Clap for them. Okay, the next question is, what did Abdul Sattar's mother teach him? What did she teach him? I think Muhammad bin Khurram was want to give this question.
Abdul Sattar Adi mother taught him live to other.
Live to other? Is it right? Is there any mistake in the sentence formation? Yes. Who will correct this statement? Who will correct this statement? Alicia.
Abdul Star Idi mother taught him to help other
And
live others.
and live for other. Yes, you share the one. You tell me.
Abdul Star Idi, his mother was taught him you live for other and help for other.
ठीक है? His mother taught him that always live for other. Always think live for other. Always think for other, and try to spend your life for others. ठीक है? It is very important that we should always be ready to help the people who are in trouble. And this was the lesson which was given to Abdul Star Idi by his Mother. Okay, and this is lesson for every child. You must also keep this lesson in your mind, that we should always try to live for other. This is the basic theme of humanity. Okay, beta. Okay. As we read that Abu Star's Idi's mother taught her that we should always help other, and we should always get ready for to help other. Then what did Abdul Star do in order to help other people? What did he do? What was the first step did he take to serve the humanity? Yes, what was the first step?
Abdul Sattar mothers give him every day, give him two paisa coins.
हाँ जी, this was the first step, was that he used to spend every day. His mother used to give him 2 paisas coins, and he used to spend 1 paisa for his lunch, and 1 paisa he used to give a beggar. Okay, well done, good approach. Okay, and what did well done, sit down, all of you, everybody sit down. Okay, when did Abdul Star Idi established his first dispensary? Only few hands are raised. Is it a difficult question? No, this is a very basic question. Yes, I think we should give chance Raza. Yes, Raza. Can I repeat the question? Okay. When did Abdul Star Idi establish his first dispensary?
Abdul Star established his first dispensary in Karachi in 1951.
Is it right?
Yes.
Clap for him. Okay. And who will tell me the meaning of dispensary? What is the dispensary? Yes. No. Isa Jan, what is dispensary?
Dispensary is a place
Where?
where medicine give.
From where we can get medicine. Dispensary is basically a place from where we can get medicine. ठीक है? And who will tell the spelling? Sit down. Well done. Who will tell the spellings of dispensary? Everybody knows. Oh, Zan.
DISPENSARY.
Clapping. Okay. Students, can you tell me that when did Abdul Star Idi get married? Azan Imdad.
Abdul Star
Got married.
Got married 1965.
65. And what was the name of his wife? Remove the marks.
Abdul Star wife name is Bilqis.
The name of his wife is Bilqis. And who was Bilqis by profession? Yes, Mohib.
Bilqis' profession is nurse.
Bilqis was a nurse by profession. Okay, beta. Now this is very easy question. How many children Abdul Star Idi had? Isa, no. Yes, you.
There are 4 children.
He had 4 children. ठीक है? Abdul Star Idi had 4 children. Okay, next question is when did okay, it would be last questions. How many nurses did Abdul Star Idi trained throughout his life? Yes?
40,000.
He trained
40,000 nurses.
He trained 40,000 nurses throughout his life. It's a great achievement. Clap for him. Okay. Dear students, another term which is used in the chapter, that is orphanage. Who will tell me what is meant by orphanage? What is meant by orphanage? Oh, everybody knows the answer. But I am going to ask this question from... Okay. Yes, you tell me.
Orphanage is a home of orphans.
Read loudly. Speak loudly.
Orphanage is home of orphans.
Yes. Orphanage is home to orphans. ठीक है. The place where orphan live is called orphanage. Clap for him. Okay, students, we read in the story that Abdul Sattar Idi bought some boats. Why did he buy this boat, or what was the purpose of these boats in this NGO? Okay, Umar, you give the answer.
Abdul Sattar Idi bought some boats for people who are in trouble at the sea.
At sea, he bought some boats in order to help some people who are in trouble at sea. Well done, clap for him. Okay, beta, now it's time to wind up our quiz, and the last question of our quiz is, when Abdul Sattar Idi died? Abdullah Khalid, when Abdul Sattar Idi died?
Abdul Sattar Idi died was 115.
115. Anybody else? Yes.
Abdul Sattar Idi died in 2016.
Abdul Sattar Idi was died in 2016. Well done, clap for him. Sit down. Everybody sit down. Okay, student, it was a fantastic quiz and I like it very much, and I'm so happy that my students, your response was outstanding, amazing. Well done. Clap for yourself.